Hello my friends, I have another logo design for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library and folder where you extracted the file. Mine is here in design and just drag and drop like logo design number 4. Just like this, connect to media out and logo is here. And now you can ungroup and I will show you what's going on here. The first node here, as usual, for adding something. Next one is the eyes. These are the eyes. All this, and when you click here, press 2 on the keyboard, it will show you the eye. When you click on the first one, like this is for reflection. I added glow, so it's just have a shine inside the eye. And next one here is the eyes with the retina and glow effect, and with the next one is with the background, just like this. This go inside the merge, and from the merge is go inside the two merges that is copied to make the two eyes. Every merge is rotated a little bit, and next one here you will see the small nose. It is done with the ellipses, and down here we have text. Of course, this text you can change. Here another connection point for the other stuff if you want to add, and of course the last one here is the background. And everything go inside the media out to make a full HD composition. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.